Hello guys, welcome back to the Python programming language series. In this series, our fifth programming question as part of our input, output and data types. Our fifth question is write a program to read length and breadth. Means we are what is the input, length and breadth, and what we should do and print its perimeter. Basically, we should print its perimeter. So observe very carefully. What is the input? Length and breadth. Basically two values. Or else we can take length comma breadth. For simplicity, I am taking length as L and breadth as B. Now, what is its perimeter? Output is perimeter. Print perimeter. Perimeter. Okay. Now, what is the method? How to calculate? If I know, for example, this is a rectangle. For example, think one is length and one is breadth. How to print the perimeter? What is meant by perimeter? Entire surface area, right? Entire surface. This boundary. How much? L. This is L. This is B. This is B. Am I correct? Am I correct? How we should do? L plus L plus B plus B. L plus L plus B plus B. Entire thing. Entire thing. L plus B plus B. That is the method. Just what is the perimeter formula? L plus B plus B. Or else, how can I write it? 2 star L. 2 times of length plus 2 times of breadth. Or else, how can I write it? 2 if I take common, 2 into L plus B. In computer language, how can I write 2 star L plus B? Anything is fine. You may use, I may use like this. You may use like this. And one excursion use like this. Everyone will get same answer. Everyone will get same answer. Okay, happy? Now let's see. Just simple. Just they are asking. We are given with some length and what some breadth. You need to print the perimeter. Perimeter, you know, right? The total length you to cover the surface area, that is known as perimeter. The perimeter, this is length, this is length, breadth, breadth. So that L plus B plus B. This is the formula. By by short form, I reduced it again. I reduced it. These are the three forms, three formulas. All will give same value. Now I will write the pseudocode. I will write the pseudocode. What I should do? First, read length, length, comma breadth. Make the question simple. Length be 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter like this, but not like 3.1 centimeter. Make it easy. At present, we are going in the starting stage, right? Make it easy. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter like this. Okay. So read comma length, comma breadth. Then what is the data type of length, comma breadth? Integer. Why? Because we told it is a number. In the question also they told Python program to read length and breadth. It's a number. Think only number. Now, what is the method? What is the method? L plus L plus B plus B. But if I write like this, it will go right. I should store somewhere so that I am declaring a variable known as perimeter P. Perimeter P is equals to L plus B plus B. Then print the print the perimeter. Print the perimeter. That's all. Print the perimeter. That's all. The program is done. The program is done. If I convert this line by line to Python language question, sorry, Python programming language program, first line is L is equals to int of input of. Why? Because I need to read an integer and store it as a length. Next, b is equals to int of input of. That's all. Next, perimeter p is equals to L plus b plus b. Or else you can write anything out of these three. Anything you can write. I am, for making it very simple, just I am writing L plus b plus b. Next, print p. That's all. I took the input, I process it, I am printing the output. That's all. It's very simple. Now let's see. We'll try once. We'll try once. Still, its Java question is there here. Okay. See, first length L is equals to int of input of. Next, B is equals to int of input of. So I am reading something. Next, perimeter is equals to L plus B plus B. Am I correct? L plus B plus B. B plus B. Then print P. Now, for example, now for example, think think length is 2, breadth is 3. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 6, 10, right? Let's see. Length I am giving as 2 and breadth I am giving as 3. Now what is the value? 10. Now what is the value? 10. Is it good? Is it good? First, what I am entering, the value 2. Is it a length or breadth? How can I know? User cannot know, right? It's a little bit confusing. So that in the input statement, I will tell that enter the length, length. Next line, enter the breadth. We are entering the breadth. Next, printing the perimeter of the rectangle. So comma, comma. Now let's see. See now how good it is. It is asking length only. So I have good clarity that I am giving length only 2. Next it is asking breadth. 3 is my breadth. Now what is the perimeter of the rectangle? 10. 10. Similarly, let's check one more time. For example, my length is 5 and breadth is 20. Sorry, 10. Now let's see. Perimeter is 30. 5 because 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 10. 30. Am I correct? Now let's see. One more logic we wrote na. 2 star, 2 star, length plus breadth. Why I am giving brackets means first what should happen? Length plus breadth should happen. So to give the priority, I am giving brackets. You know the BODMAS rule, right? Brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, BODMAS. Same that rule. See now 2 and 3. See 10 as it is, same value. Again, one more case we did before. 5 10. 5 10. What it should print? 30, right? 30. So whatever the cases we discussed, both of us in both the logics we are getting same answer. If until unless if both of us are getting same answer, then your program is correct and my program is correct. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you people understand this video. Now we'll meet in the next video. If you really like the video, you are able to grow day by day. If you are able to grow by program to program, please give me some comment. It will really helpful for my growth. And for the next video, I will bring with good motivation. I will try to make your concepts very clear. Okay. We completed only 5 problems. Still 5 more problems are there in this concept. After completing 10 problems, as I promised, for each topic, I will make 10 videos, 10 programs to make understand each concept very clear. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye.